Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start new lesson. Before that, I would like to know that whether you all have written your question answers of the previous chapter, and I hope you all have started learning also for exam. So please, as soon as you write the question answers and do the exercises in the book, you start learning. Okay, children? You all are very nice, have done it well also in exams, and keep doing so. Please keep studying hard, okay? And be ready when the exams come. So let us start the new lesson. Lesson 13, Rocks and Minerals. Now we will read first this lesson, this page. So ma'am is saying, children, let us play a word game. You will make words that will have a word rock within it. Then you will make flashcards to display and frame sentences with those words. Are you all ready? So children are saying, yes ma'am, we all are ready. Then they start making the words with rock within the word. So they all are shouting. One is saying rock star, the other is saying bedrock, then rock and roll, Rocky Mountain, Hard Rock, Rock Salt, Rocking Chair, then Moon Rock. All these are words which have rock in it. Okay. So ma'am is saying good. Now one by one from the first row start telling the word. So they are all telling the words. So ma'am says good. Now start making your flashcards. After the game is over, we will discuss about rocks and minerals in this chapter. So we are going to discuss about rocks and minerals. In this chapter, we will study about rocks, minerals, types of rocks, and gemstones. So let's start. Now we will read about rocks first. Have you ever written something with chalk on the blackboard? Do you know that both chalk and blackboard are made up of rocks? The surface of the earth is made up of rocks and soil. Our earth has many mountains, hills, and valleys. These mountains, hills, and valleys are made up of stones and rocks. Rocks are also found on the riverbeds. Like you can see here, this is a riverbed and you can see the rocks. And at the bottom of seas and oceans, this is the bottom of the sea. I have put a picture for you all. You can see the rocks at the bottom of the sea and ocean. Then rocks are found in different shapes and sizes and colors. You can see here these boulders are of different shapes and size. These are small pebbles type of colors. These are big rocks. Then mountains you can see here. Such big mountains. They have got big rocks. So all the stones are or rocks are of different shapes, sizes and colors. So we are going to learn about many types of rocks and then you will be able to identify them or you will know that which rock we use for which purpose. Okay, children? Now, types of rocks. First, we will read about the hard rocks. So, there are many types of rocks. Some rocks are hard while others are soft. Now, you can see here hard rocks. Hard rocks such as marble, granite, and sandstone are very hard. So these three types of rocks are hard rocks. Granite, you can see a granite, this kind of granite you must have seen in kitchen slab also. We use this stone granite. Then marble also is used for that, but it is mostly used for making floors. Then sandstone is used for making buildings. So let us read now about them in detail. First, we will read about marble. Marble is used to build monuments, statues, buildings, and floors. The Taj Mahal in Agra and the Lotus Temple in New Delhi are made up of white marble. You can see this Taj Mahal. It is made up of white marble, and this Lotus Temple is also made up of white marble. Then marble rocks are found in the Narmada River in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Now, this picture I have searched for you, where you can see this river Narmada flowing, and both sides these are marble mountains made with marble rocks. So you can see these white mountains, and they have these are marble rocks. So from here only we get marble rocks from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Now the other rock which is hard is granite, and it is used to make floor tiles and pillars also at many places. You can see this Ambedkar Park picture I have put here. This is Ambedkar Park. Many of you must have seen, and you can see the floor. It is shining so much, and this floor is made up of granite. You must have seen Wave Mall also. There also in picture hall in Wave, there is this granite flooring. And you must have seen the pillars of granite. Many homes have gate pillars of granite. So this is shiny rock, and it is very beautiful. So they make floors and pillars out of this granite rock, and it is very hard also. So very durable. Now you can see the third stone, hard stone, is sandstone. Some rocks are hard, but not as hard as marble or granite. They both are much harder than sandstone, but sandstone is also a hard rock. For example, red sandstone. Have you ever visited the Red Fort in New Delhi? The Red Fort is made up of red sandstone. You can see the red sandstone here used for making this Red Fort at Delhi. You can see the flag is hoisted here. So this is Delhi's Red Fort. And I want to tell you one more thing, that this Ambedkar Park in Lucknow, which you must have seen, this is made up of pink sandstone. So if you go to visit this park, you can see the boundary and the structure, internal structure, all is made up of pink sandstone. So you can see red sandstone if you go to Delhi at Red Fort or Agra, and you can see pink sandstone in Lucknow also. In Kashiram Smarak or Ambedkar Park, everywhere they have used pink sandstone. So children, now you know there are three hard rocks: marble, granite and sandstone. We will read about the other type of rocks, which are soft rocks, in the next class. Till then, thank you, have a nice day, and do the reading of the chapter. Okay, rocks and minerals. Okay, thank you. See you then in the next class.